Hi everyone, it's me, Wild Horseman Move Route. I'm out in the rain today with Arthur. There he is, over there, jumping up and down in a muddy puddle. First of all, Happy New Year to you all. I hope you had a lovely time and got over into the new year well. I'm here in a bit of marshland today, which is in fact a basin for when the Rhine gets too much water and overflows, then it floods this basin before it starts flooding the lower part of the town we live in. And it's a lovely place to come out and see if you can find, see if you can see a deer or other animals that Arthur, of course, is very interested in. And it's a great place to come and romp around and just get muddy for nothing. Here he is. Come on, Arthur. Come on, honey. Let's go this way. I promised him a biscuit when we get over here. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. Right, everybody, this is Wild Horse here from Move Route and Arthur. Hello. Gonna say hello? No. And we're out today near to where we live, and we're gonna stalk up to a little pond a bit up there and see if we can see some animals by the water, aren't we, Arthur?
Yes. Kaninchen, so Rehe.
Yeah.
Und Hirsche.
Yeah, that's right. And stags.
Yeah.
And deer and rabbits, he said. Yes. And we're going to be very quiet stalking there so that they don't notice we're coming. Okay? So off we go. See, there it is. So we'll see if there's any animals there. Okay. You coming?
Yes.
Well, no animals there today, are there?
No.
Hmm. We might have been too loud, but we weren't that loud. In fact, we were very careful. We weren't that loud. I think there's just not much going on here. So, but there it is. This is the pond I was telling you about. In fact, it's not that small. It's a pond, isn't it? We go up here and you have a look. There's quite a bit of water. See? There's ice on it. Can you see the ice on it?
Yeah.
Huh? So they're not drinking there probably because there's ice on it. Oh look, deer have been walking through here, Arthur. Here's the deer tracks. And we've been going down there. Come on. You're doing well. Very good. Good lad. Very good. Look, there's the prints. There's where the animals have been walking through.
Yeah.
Oh, and they scramble up here, look. They scramble up here and they slip here. It's slippy. We slip as well, don't we, here? There we go. Oh, up we go. Very good. Well done, Arthur. Right. Oh, wow, Arthur. Oh, look. Ah, that wasn't a good one. That was a good splash, wasn't it? Wow, look at that piece, huh? You're going to jump on it? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, broke it. It's amazing how kids don't even get cold hands really when they're out forgetting themselves and not worrying about things. And there's always something to find, to explore, to discover, to do. Always something to play with, something to splash through. And it's always loads of fun. Here we are running across the fields, aren't we? on, you gotta, come on, see if you can catch me. Come on. Come on, catch me. Come here.
Yes.
There, look, there we are.
Here.
There we are. It's always worth going outside into nature with children. They get rooted so quickly and they get so easily engaged in nature. And not just while they're outside do they have a lot of fun and really enjoy themselves and become really creative. They, you know, they are training their sensory capacities all the time. They are, you know, their balance is getting better. They're getting more agile. They're really learning to use their bodies and their senses. And when you get back home after being out and going out regularly, you can watch them sort of becoming beings that rest in themselves a lot more than if you don't take them out to nature. It's just really worth it. Together?
Yeah.
Now! Oh, what a big splash! Oh, what a big splash! Lovely snow! See?
And then,
He's right there. Look. Can I make a little one for you? I don't know if we'll find the mole though, Archer. They go ever so deep. Ever so deep. I mean, really, really deep. We're not going to find the mole, I don't think. Look, he must be way down there. Where they go ever so deep. They dig really deep holes and hide down there. And as soon as they hear us coming, they're going to run away as well. Today we're off for a walk in the woods, aren't we, Archer? Huh? Lovely snowy day. There's not much snow, but it snows again every day and melts away again. And we're out for a little walk through the woods, and we're looking at fallen down trees and at animal tracks. That's right, Archer. Yes, that one certainly did fall over. Did you hear that? The buzzard. That's a buzzard.
Yeah. There is a duck.
Did you see them? Oh, there they are.
Yeah.
That's right, Archer. Very good. You found them. Buzzards. We saw two, didn't we? Two buzzards. That's right. Two buzzards we saw. I have so much fun being out with Archer. And I'm going to have so much more fun with him and with his little sister when she's a bit bigger. And yeah, our rain's turning into snow now, isn't it, Archer? Can you see it's turning into snow? So it's getting colder again, isn't it? What have you found? I think that's just some soggy leaves in the puddle, darling. Yes, that's what that is. Wait, I'll get some too. Together?
Yeah.
And go on.
9.
Together? Bah! What a big splash. Oh. Super! Shall we? Because I'm big enough to do it. Because there was a big stone over there, look, see? I just saw a big stone. It was on the other side. Yes, I did. I threw it in the puddle. I'm Wild Horse from moveroot.com. Get outside and move to your roots and have loads of fun.